Freeze-dried food is a prepper's best friend, lightweight, long-lasting, and easy to store. But do you know how to rehydrate it for maximum nutrition? Let's break it down. First, always start with clean, filtered water. Bring it to a boil if possible. The temperature ensures your food rehydrates evenly and retains flavor. Next, measure the right water-to-food ratio. Most freeze-dried meals include instructions, but as a rule, start with a 1-to-1 ratio and adjust as needed. Alright, so now it's really important to stir well to avoid any dry spots. You want to make sure everything is evenly hydrated. Cover your rehydrating food and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This step ensures the water is fully absorbed and the texture is restored. For proteins like meats or beans, soak them a bit longer to achieve the desired tenderness. For fruits and veggies, cold water works too, but hot water speeds things up. Rehydrating properly doesn't just make your meals taste better, it helps retain essential nutrients, keeping you energized during emergencies or outdoor adventures. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.